Hello guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will unveiling the hidden secrets of USA 1938 Liberty coin. Small in size, big in value. Introduction. Hello, fellow coin enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of numismatics to uncover the hidden treasures within the 1938 USA Liberty 5-cent coin. Join me as we explore its design, history, and why this seemingly ordinary coin is worth millions in circulation. Background. Released in the midst of historical events, the 1938 Liberty 5-cent coin, also known as the Buffalo Nickel, holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Let's unravel the story behind this iconic piece of American currency. Design and features. Take a closer look at the design. The majestic buffalo on the reverse side, and the stoic profile of a Native American on the obverse. This coin was not only a celebration of American heritage, but also a work of art in its own right. Mintage numbers. Despite being part of a series produced for circulation, the 1938 Liberty 5-cent coin has notable rarity. The limited mintage, coupled with its unique design, contributes to its allure among collectors. Condition matters. As with any vintage coin, condition matters. Well-preserved buffalo nickels from 1938 are becoming increasingly scarce, and collectors are willing to pay a premium for those in excellent condition. Market value. Now, let's talk numbers. While the face value of the 1938 Liberty 5-cent coin is just 5 cents, some specimens in pristine condition have fetched staggering amounts in the market. The demand is driven by collectors eager to own a piece of American history. Factors affecting value. Several factors influence the value of the 1938 Liberty 5-cent coin, including condition, mint marks, and the presence of full horn details on the buffalo's head. Identifying these characteristics can significantly impact the coin's worth. Historical significance. Beyond its monetary value, the 1938 Liberty 5-cent coin represents a snapshot of American history. It was a time of resilience and strength, and owning a piece of that history is what makes this coin truly special. Conclusion. In conclusion, don't underestimate the value of the 1938 Liberty 5-cent coin in your pocket change. It's not just a nickel, it's a piece of American heritage that has stood the test of time. If you enjoyed today's exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coin-related content. Happy collecting, and until next time.